If you live in Frisco, your windows play a bigger role in your comfort than you might think. Double-hung windows are a popular choice thanks to their classic look and versatility, but like anything in your home, they don't last forever. Over time, wear and tear can impact their performance, efficiency, and even your energy bills. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money and make your home more comfortable year-round. One of the most noticeable signs is difficulty opening or closing your windows. Double-hung windows are designed to slide smoothly, but if you find yourself struggling, forcing them, or dealing with windows that won't stay open, that's a clear signal something isn't right. In many cases, this is due to worn-out balances, warped frames, or general aging. Not only is this frustrating, but it can also become a safety issue, especially if the window suddenly slams shut. Drafts are another major red flag. Frisco weather can shift quickly, from hot summers to cooler winters, and your windows should help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. If you feel air coming through even when your windows are closed and locked, your seals are likely failing. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to keep your home comfortable, which often leads to higher energy bills. If your energy costs have been creeping up without a clear explanation, your windows could be part of the problem. Condensation between the panes of glass is also a sign you shouldn't ignore. Double-hung windows often have insulated glass units, and when the seal between the panes breaks, moisture gets trapped inside. This creates a foggy or cloudy appearance that doesn't wipe away. Beyond affecting visibility, this indicates that your window is no longer properly insulating your home. You should also pay attention to outside noise. While no window can completely block sound, modern double-hung windows are designed to reduce noise much better than older models. If you're noticing more traffic, neighborhood, or construction noise than usual, your current windows may not be providing the insulation they once did. Upgrading can make a noticeable difference in how smooth and quiet your home feels. Visible damage is another obvious but important indicator. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, or peeling finishes don't just hurt your home's appearance. They can lead to bigger issues like water damage or mold. Frisco's occasional storms and humidity can accelerate this kind of deterioration, so it's important to act before small issues become costly repairs. Cleaning and maintenance becoming a hassle is another subtle sign. Double-hung windows are designed for easy cleaning, with sashes that tilt inward. If yours no longer tilt properly or feel stuck, it may be due to aging hardware or frame distortion. Newer models are built with improved mechanisms that make upkeep much simpler and safer. You might also notice fading furniture, flooring, or curtains near your windows. Older windows often lack modern UV protection, allowing more harmful rays into your home. Over time, this can cause noticeable fading and damage to your interior. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options that include UV blocking features can help preserve your home's interior. Finally, consider the overall age of your windows. If your double-hung windows are 15 to 20 years old or more, they may simply be reaching the end of their lifespan. Even if they seem fine, newer windows offer better energy efficiency, improved security features, and enhanced curb appeal. Replacing your double-hung windows isn't just about fixing problems, it's about upgrading your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Frisco home, it may be time to start exploring your replacement options. A small investment now can lead to long-term savings and a more enjoyable living space.